them off.
They scare them?
Yeah, who knows?
Very cool.
Yanais, people named Sara, Isabella.
That's a moth, or that's a owl butterfly. Owl butterfly. Wow.
Okay?
The biggest butterfly in Costa Rica.
And it's a very soft wings.
Oh, he's got one on his leg.
Okay, and this one is the mark.
Oh, that's a monarch.
Monarch.
The poison for the prey. And they can do the marriage.
Póngale placa.
Newborn butterflies. Amazing.
One's trying to get up on
Never
his
seen
leg.
that. Okay, you're on.
It's raining and it looks like crystals are falling out of the sky. Check out the coffee plantation. See? Rainy coffee plantation. You can zoom in on the coffee plants.
We're here at the it's a rainforest.
Coffee.
Monteverde, Costa Rica.
I am Don Miguel and this is my coffee plantation. We're high in the highlands of Costa Rica where the rain rains every day. This is what makes delicious coffee.
It's pure organic. Don't eat it though. The rats might have stepped on it. Tree cutters. What are they called?
Leaf cutter ants.
Leaf cutter ants. They're cruising. Their leaves. You can hardly see them. You just see the little leaves. They're gnarly. The wind making it move.
Yeah.
It's so trippy. Look here for a sec. We found a sloth. He's a mighty, sleepy sloth. See, you can kind of see he's just a big bundle of fur, and it's a rainy day, so he's cozy up in his little nest. Good night, sloth. Here,
And they're nocturnal too.
right there. That's the sloth. Okay.
Hello, beautifuls.
It's the Aswan Dover Brigade.
Oh.
No me muevas el primo de Miguel. Yo soy primo de Miguel, claro.
This is the part where you shit your pants.
Put your legs down. Flip down, down.
Legs down.
Legs down.
They gotta grab you by the legs. How was that, Des?
Open your feet. Open your feet. You know?
Spread your legs so they can grab one each.
Almost.
They almost got you. They're gonna get you with a sling.
Okay.
The gut-wrenching swing. He's coming in hot. Here he comes.
Keep those feet out.
No, no.
Oh yeah.
Go up.
Yeah. That was fun. You just hold it down.
It's our last day in Costa Rica, and we're just walking the beach.
Heading home.
Yeah, saying bye-bye. And it's such a pretty beach. It's like we're the only people out here. and this is supposed to be Boca de something, but the longest left break in the world. Michael already said goodbye to his surfboard. It's been a good trip.
Hi.
I got my camera too.
Did you get your camera? Did we just come back from... Where did we just come back from?
From Costa Rica.
Yeah. And what did you do while we were gone? Did you go on a fire truck?
Yeah.
What did the fire truck do?
Wheel.
Yay. Excellent.
You want to give Mommy some bacon and eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. Want to give Mommy a kiss? I love you.
Yay. Who did you see while we were gone?
Yeah.
Did you see Nana?
Yeah. I saw Josh.
You saw Josh?
And Logan and Davin.
Oh, fantastic. And did you guys go on the fire truck together?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.